experiencing from vehicle versions. We are at the Protective Film Solutions meetup. I knew it would be ridiculous, but like, come on. I didn't think it would be this ridiculous. Look at what we got going on here. From Koenigsegg's to Bugattis to Paganis, and not just those brands, but the coolest from each brand. I mean, it's a Vision GT. We've got BCs. It's just, only at Protective Film Solutions can you get stuff like this.
Supercars in London, and I'm out here in sunny California whilst it's raining in England. It's such a cool setup. You've got street food down there, and you've got like the sort of trade stands, so you get a really nice vibe down there. The music's playing, the palm trees are swinging, and then you've got like these insane supercars that, I mean, definitely at this time of the year you won't see in the UK. A really cool mix of car enthusiasts, car owners. The community here is so friendly, that's what I love. I mean, the exclusivity, when you consider what cars you've got in there, the collection is ridiculous. Got just a Chiron parked up over there as well. So there's a real sort of, it's one of the best places to see what California cars has to offer.
And white Lamborghini Huracan that's sitting outside. This is like the biggest Protective Film Solutions show. Like, I've been to every single one of them for the past like 2 years, but this is like the biggest one yet. Ryan has a whole street shut down for us, and it's for a good cause, so that's amazing. And I hope Ryan raises a lot of money for the charity, because this show is actually amazing, and it's so awesome for these fans to see all these cool cars out here. And the Bugattis and the Hypercar collection that you guys have in the warehouse, awesome.
they do it, how awesome the whole team is here. Like, it's family.